Top 5 Best Hybrid Table Saw. Number 5. Powermatic PM1000 10-inch Table Saw. The Powermatic PM1000 is a high-end hybrid saw designed for serious woodworkers who demand precision and durability. Its ergonomic design features 7-inch handwheels that make adjustments to blade height and bevel angles effortless, and the arbor lock system allows for one-handed blade changes, which is a huge time saver. One of the standout features of the PM1000 is its exclusive AccuFence system, which offers unparalleled rigidity and precision. This, combined with the precision ground cast iron table, provides a smooth surface that makes work easier and more efficient. The beveled edge on the table reduces friction, allowing for smoother operation when working with large or heavy pieces of wood. The PM1000's Poly V-belt drive system reduces vibrations and enhances the efficiency of power transfer, which leads to quieter, more consistent operation. The sturdy miter gauge pivots 60 degrees to either side, allowing for a full range of precise cuts. Safety is also a priority with the PM1000, as the toolless guard assembly features independent side leaves, making it easy to use while providing maximum protection. This table saw combines innovation, precision, and durability to deliver a product that's perfect for woodworkers who are serious about their craft. Each of these hybrid table saws offers unique features tailored to a range of woodworking needs. Whether you're focused on portability, safety, or precision, there's a saw on this list that will meet your requirements. Coming in number 4. SawStop 10-inch Contractor Saw. SawStop 10-inch Contractor Saw is an absolute game-changer when it comes to safety. Its patented safety system stops the blade instantly if it comes in contact with skin, preventing serious injuries. This feature alone makes it a top choice for anyone prioritizing safety in their workshop. The blade stops in less than 5 milliseconds, and the saw is designed to minimize injury by dropping the blade below the table. Beyond its safety features, the SawStop is built with high precision. The trunnion and arbor are engineered for strength and stability, and the Poly V-ribbed belts reduce vibration, ensuring smooth, clean cuts. The cast iron table provides a sturdy, flat surface with a maximum deviation of just 0.010 inches across its diagonal measurement. One of the most attractive aspects of the SawStop is its configurability. There are over 150 ways to customize the saw to suit your needs, including options for adding a mobile base or a sliding crosscut table. The T-Glide fence system provides 36 inches of rip capacity and locks securely, making it perfect for larger projects. It's a saw that's versatile, reliable, and, most importantly, incredibly safe. Coming in number 3. Grizzly Industrial G0899. Grizzly G0899 takes hybrid table saws to the next level with a combination of contractor-style portability and the full features of a cabinet saw. It features a 2-horsepower motor and a serpentine belt and pulley system for more efficient power transfer and quieter operation, making it a great addition to any woodworking shop. This model excels in dust collection, with an internal dust shroud around the blade and a clear blade guard that has a built-in dust collection feature. Both feed into a 4-inch dust port for efficient dust removal. With the G0899, you'll enjoy a cleaner, safer work environment. The cabinet-mounted cast iron trunnion and precision ground cast iron table provide excellent stability and durability. The fence system is micro-adjustable and comes with a narrow rip attachment, making it easy to work with smaller pieces of wood. One of the most appreciated features is the paddle switch with a disabling key, which adds an extra layer of safety. Plus, the heavy-duty miter gauge and chromed cast iron handwheels make adjustments easier and more precise. For those looking for a durable, well-built hybrid table saw with excellent dust collection and quiet operation, the G0899 is a top contender in its class. Coming in number 2. Grizzly Industrial G0771Z. Grizzly G0771Z is a fantastic choice for those who want a hybrid table saw without breaking the bank. For just over $1,000, you get a powerful 2-horsepower saw that can handle most tasks thrown at it. Many users appreciate the upgrade from smaller portable saws due to the increased power and stability that this model provides. One of the standout features of the G0771Z is its precision and ease of setup. Most owners find that once they've dialed in the adjustments, the saw performs flawlessly on a variety of wood, including thicker hardwoods like maple. The steel cabinet base, combined with cast iron table extensions, provides stability and reduces vibration during operation. The saw features a good quality fence system that locks securely and is easy to adjust. Additionally, the dust control system is effective, thanks to a built-in dust port that can be connected to a shop vac or a dust collector. While some users mention minor imperfections, such as a slightly uneven cast iron wing, these issues are generally seen as negligible for the price point. Overall, the GO771Z is an excellent hybrid table saw for hobbyists and serious woodworkers looking for quality at a lower price. Coming in number 1, ShopFox W1837 Open Stand Hybrid Table Saw. ShopFox W1837 offers the perfect blend of portability and functionality. With its 2-horsepower motor, it can run on a 120-volt or 240-volt circuit, making it versatile for different setups. Its enclosed cabinet design with a 4-inch dust port ensures effective dust control, helping you keep your workspace clean. The precision ground cast iron table with steel wings gives you a stable surface to work on, measuring 40 1/4 by 27 inches, which is ample for most woodworking tasks. A key feature is the lift-off fence, which locks securely at both the front and rear for precision. You'll also find a quick-release blade guard and anti-kickback pawls for added safety. The interchangeable riving knife ensures protection during non-through cuts, making this saw versatile for various operations. Moving the saw around the shop is a breeze with its built-in mobile base. Just step on the foot levers to raise it onto its wheels and reposition it with ease. Additionally, the robust cabinet-mounted trunnions absorb vibrations and ensure blade-to-fence alignment, which leads to more accurate cuts. The blade tilt adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees to the left, allowing you to make beveled cuts with ease. This is a feature woodworkers love for tasks that require precision-angled cuts. Overall, the W1837 delivers excellent performance for both professionals and hobbyists, offering versatility and dust control akin to a cabinet saw, while remaining portable like a contractor saw.